Hi everyone, welcome to your heart readings. Okay, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat, Namaste. Let's start. Follow on Instagram, SSHELLS Sessions Running. I hope that you all are doing well. Okay, it's a okay. This card came out right away. It's Five of Pentacles. Some of you might be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, listening to the reading or dealing because these are for collaborative, like collective readings, for collective sign. Wheel of Fortune. Time is changing for you. Fortune-wise, money-wise, situation-wise, wealth-wise. Something will be beneficial in this season wherein someone will take what that word is. Take advantage of what they have earned, what they have, or what they say is going to be beneficial in the long run. Okay, now what I'm hearing is like it's like a stretch of the cage, CAGE, stretch of the cage, kind of like someone is, its cage is so tough, right? It's made up of that material, but someone is doing like this. It's a release. Some of you might be or might have been dealing with certain situations like a shadow, which may be again connected with a like a dancing like a puppet kind of under something, some organization, work related. Someone is feeling exhausted or love related situation. However, this fits you, but there is someone's release from the cage. Okay, and it's going to be done in a definite and like a proper way. Now you have the flip here with the Five of Pentacles. It's like something or someone who is assured that I'm not going to return. It's like this is also connected with certain kind of situation where money is of no help. For some cases, money is of no help. Someone who is going through certain experience and then they are moving out. Okay, getting released, giving information. But with the Five of Pentacles, it's also telling me the experience that was bitter, but never to return. Difficult to move because someone is weak here. Long walls, gray or some pale color. You don't need a lot of money. Maybe it's cage connected, and in real world it is GAIL connected. But somehow there's release. Okay, it's maybe this is something that felt tormented or something like that. It is also to not to return ever, leaving for forever someplace, work or relationship. Like difficult change, but the change for sure. This is difficult change, but change for sure. Okay, so release is good. Release is something that was not happening. Something was stretching, and boom. After disturbing phase, out. They are telling me, I told you. Someone is talking to someone and saying that I told you. You were juggling here for something, decision or something, but it's going to be out. Again, someone who is not accepting this. Page of Cups is coming from the proper zone. Possible it is some disturbing phase from the past, or because someone is not accepting this new thing here is because of something that happened from the past. Or maybe this is with some person who repeats the pattern and is again someone is offering something from the past or the past person. Flip on and off, but nah. Someone is saying no, but Page of Cups is here. For some, this offer doesn't make any sense, and that's why someone is not accepting. This may be again Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, listening or dealing. Someone is trying hard to manipulate someone, okay, or tried, but now someone is not coming into those like words or something like that, whatever it is. Someone is offering someone something connected with the work and the money, and money is big or offer is big, but it is supposed to be not to be taken into account. This is about dignity. Like, okay, you have strength, so maybe Leo is here, or listening or dealing, however fits you, but there is something someone is trying to control. It's willpower. It is, for me it is called coming dignity kind of like situation. Okay, not to, because there is some domination here for some, not for everyone. People are changing, getting awakened, they're dropping those things. Okay, don't do that. Okay, but still many are going through that, and it takes sometimes experience, a lot of experiences most of the times, to understand something. I'm hearing the word unwilling. Someone is unwilling to tell something, to accept something. That's unwilling. Zero the Fool energy. I'm free, no complications. Or someone doesn't want to be in any complicated situation or relationship or connection, doesn't want this. Even if it is some new offering here, they don't want it. Okay, people who are working here, freelancers as well, they don't want to be controlled over, because they have that experience, or they had that experience of working in certain organization or bond or contract, and they don't want it. If it is work also, because we are reading for like a general thing. Okay, I'm also hearing like someone possible is coming or offering their love. Maybe they are doing it with all, free will, which is about there's no complication from that person's side. But if you are on this side, you're not signing this. You're not signing this offer. You're not signing this love offer, for whatever reason it is, because you see the ways behind this person, or maybe there's a pattern connected, or maybe this person does come like, I just want this connection. Okay, I just want this connection. I want to meet. Why you want to meet? Huh? There's this energy who does want to talk to you like every now and then, regardless if they are in relationship or they are married, they still talk to you. Or maybe the one you're dealing, they do. They may be Gemini. There may be a family man or family woman here. You're involved, or you shouldn't. You are dropping that idea of something, whatever that is. The Moon. Piscean might be here. 9 of Cups. Someone is desiring this connection to the core. 9 of Cups. High emotional availability requirement, but that's unavailable. Again, high emotional unavailability. This person does have a lot to say, I feel here, because they are offering. But here, if you are falling in here, like the chart strength, Zero the Fool and 5 of Pentacles, you are dropping certain idea. You are not going there. Okay, it's like controlling not to fall for something or not to say something. Okay, but I feel like someone is with the free will, and they just don't want anything complicated with you. But I feel like they did complicated things prior. I know this confusion. Okay, in the past there's a high, and like they are willing to talk. Okay, someone desire this, and there's a lot of bark left. When I say it's like a lot is left to discuss here. Then this is something, someone who's keeping the dual state of wanting it, not wanting it, wanting it, not wanting it. Then what is going on here? I kind of get this energy when, I don't know whether this is you or the person. If this is this person, they have this energy of like, Okay, whenever I want, this is going to happen. Kind of like taking things on a lazy note, and when things are changing here because you're freeing yourself, dare to begin, like for new beginning or something. This loyalty, this faithfulness, in like dog is faithful, right? So this whoever this person is barking, and they want to talk. When I say bark, okay, don't take it in an offensive way. Bark is like a lot of talk. That lot of talk is left. Some of you are having fresh beginnings here because there's Page of Cups. There's past experience, yes, but there is also surrender. There is also Zero the Fool beginning. There is something that is coming in the picture, and there is a healing session that I see. Oh my God, I'm going to take this route. Bottom energy is Lover. Okay, you have, wow. Okay, this wedding card is coming reversed here. For some reason, some of you are not ready, and that's what I said, okay? Some of you are not claiming it, kind of energy, you're not ready, free will, no complications. But for some cases, just look at this card in the light. I need to show you in the proper light. It's like falling out of marriage, wedding, or taking a step back, saying no to something. Coming out of something that is not or no longer serves you any purpose, kind of walking away from something that is abusive, a pattern, or wrong. Saying no to someone that I'm in like unloved situation, okay? And possible this is some new thing here in your life. There's this bottom energy is Love Apple, which is love alert. It's light in color, so something might be light around you, but the presence is there, okay? Something is also unfinished here, so maybe you're going to finish something with someone here. Lot of bark left kind of energy. Wedding out of like something, saying no, taking step back, or being in that relationship but now not married, single for some time, okay? There are green leaves coming in your life. Green leaves coming in your life, maybe this is what Page of Cups is in your future. And Nine of Cups. Ignoring possible resisting. That's the term is. Not accepting possible for some reason because of the past experience here. Job experience, love experience. Someone gonna be around here. It's highway call. Someone is taking this dare. Decision will be done here. That is for sure. Okay, no stopping. Taking those green leaves. Where my love is, what my love is. Gonna be around. You're gonna be around someone. Someone gonna be around you. Watching you. Someone is watching you. Again, goes vice versa. There's going to be highway call. Both of you. Possible this is about common decision. This is also regarding green leaves, and this is also something highway call where you people are going to meet at a common spot, okay? It's about decisions. It's about not returning to the one or to the place which is not recommended for you, okay? Hear the lighting problem. Okay, so take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.